Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little heart garland, and you can make it as long as you like depending on how many little hearts you make. So just to show you, each little segment, heart to heart, is about 7 inches long. And then there will be a 25-inch chain at the end. So 7 times however many hearts you have, and then add another 6 inches to the end if you want to measure out to see exactly how long you want it to be. So for this project, you will need medium weight yarn, size 4, in 2 colors. One for the heart and one for the garland, or you could even make your hearts multicolors, like all different colors. So it's a great little scrap buster if you just want to make hearts in all different colors with whatever you've got in your little yarn stash. And so in addition to a size 4 medium weight yarn, you will also need a 5.5 millimeter hook. It's a size I, 5.5 millimeter. You'll need some scissors and a yarn needle. And that is it. So if y'all are ready to get started, let's get started. To start out, you're going to want to make a little slip knot. And then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to put 12 double crochets. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see my chain is opening up a bunch, but that's okay. If yours is too, just close it up. Here's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once again, close that up if it opened up. Now, the first chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet, so with the other 12, it's like we have 13 double crochets. And you can almost stop there if you like, if you want a super tiny heart. But we're going to keep going for one more round. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn. Now I'm going to crochet over my end. It'll kind of help that little hole stay closed if yours is opening. And if not, it will just help to cover that end so that you don't have to weave it in after. So we just did a chain 1 and turn. And in that very first double crochet, we're going to do a single crochet. Oops. And a half double crochet. So those both go in that first stitch. Now in the next one, we're going to do 2 half double crochets. There's a 1 and a 2. In the next one, we will once again do 2 half double crochets. There's a 1 and a 2. In the next one, we're going to do just 1 half double crochet. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do 2 single crochets. A 1 and a 2. Now in the next one, we'll do 1 single crochet. Now in this next stitch, we're going to do 3 different stitches. We're going to do a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a half double crochet. That's going to be the little point at the bottom of our heart. Ready? Here's a half double crochet. Here's a double crochet. And a half double crochet. There we go, very good. Now working back up the other side, we're going to do one single crochet in the next stitch. And now 2 single crochets in the next stitch. There's a 1 and a 2. Now 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So here's a 1 and a 2 for that one. And now a 1 and a 2 for that one. Now in our very last stitch, that'll be the top of that beginning chain 3, we're going to do a half double crochet and then a single crochet. So here's a half double and a single in that same place. And that is it. Now I'm going to show you how to finish it off to increase that little shape of your heart. So now we're going to cut the end of our yarn and pull this out. Now we're going to thread our yarn needle and let's take a look here. You can see where the yarn is coming out. There's a little loop there. We're going to skip that loop and go down into the next little loop that we see. Pull our yarn down through there. That kind of helps our little heart to like curl around there. Now we're going to flip it over and you can bring it down another little loop that you see. Just pull it on down. And what I like to do is run my yarn through the bottom of the beginning double crochets to really hide it and secure it. So I run it just through the bottoms of those little double crochets before I cut my yarn. And once you have all of the hearts made that you want for your little garland, you're going to grab the color that you selected for your garland part and then your little crochet hook. And now we're just going to make a little slip knot and then we are going to chain 25. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we're going to take our first heart and we're going to look in the middle here. So in the middle of each heart you have a single crochet and a half double crochet, a single crochet and a half double crochet. You're going to find the back loop only of that first half double crochet on the right and you're going to insert your hook. Then you are just going to yarn over and you're going to slip stitch. And then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to find where we have single crochet, then half double crochet. Find the back loop of that half double crochet, yarn over, and slip stitch through. And that connects our little heart to our garland. So let's repeat that. Show you one more time. We do chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, where we have single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet. Find the back loop of that half double crochet and insert your hook, yarn over and draw through to slip stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Find the half double crochet on the other side, back loop, insert your hook, yarn over and draw through. Now we have 2 little hearts connected. Now you're going to just repeat that for as many times as you want to connect as many hearts as you want. And then at the very end, when you've connected your last heart, you're going to chain 25 once again, and then you're just going to finish off and be all finished. So you just keep on connecting your little hearts, and I'll see you at the end. Alright, so I've got all 8 of my hearts secured onto my little garland, and now I'm ready to cut my yarn. And so, there's my little scissors. Just cut your yarn, pull your end through, and do a little loop through to secure it if you like. And you are all finished and ready to hang your beautiful little Valentines or any time of the year heart garland. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Bye.